So pretty much starting today's vlog by giving you guys an update of what is going on with the car. So far everything is good. I have received a whole bunch of parts over the weekend. We might test fit the turbo today, but just getting back into the wiring. So pretty much the wiring stuff is pretty much done. I have sorted out a lot of stuff over here. You see it's not that clouded anymore as the previous video. It was crazy. Not gonna lie, so we have spent at least about 10 hours in just doing the wiring. It's a little crazy. I already have shortened a lot of wires. Look at all the stuff that we don't need. Cut out a lot of stuff, deleted a whole bunch of plugs. Pretty much everything is ready to go. I was waiting for some heat shrink and stuff and whatnot. We gotta finish the fuse panel so we could just transfer stuff over and start deleting this thing here. See, everything is pretty much here. This has to be fixed. Alright, this has to be organized a little better. Regarding all those plugs for the wiring specialty harness is all here. There's another plug there. There's another 2 plugs over here. You know, just gotta make things a little prettier, and that's pretty much pretty simple stuff. Oh, by the way, now that I remember, someone was asking me regarding the wiper motor wiring thingy. So I pretty much brought it out here. This is the windshield motor plug. Right, it's over here. It used to come from over here. Right, but now it's inside the cabin. The wiring for this is pretty simple. Yeah, I still have a hard time here. So pretty much here's the windshield wipers motor wiring. What I did is I just shortened everything. Right, it was pretty long, so I organized it. Right, I cut it. Right, I reroute everything. So it's actually 1, 2, 3, about 4 green wire. One of them have a red stripe, and there is an orange one, and there's a black one. The black one is ground, and this ground I hooked it up into the chassis, which is right over here. Right, I mean, it's not hard. You just gotta, you know, be organized, and you gotta throw ideas. And I'm probably gonna cut this out again just to shorten them a little more, but just a little more, because I don't want anything to be saggy. So just to make it look a little cleaner. But pretty much this is the windshield wiper wiring. Hopefully it's to turn on. I'm not really sure there was a relay on it or not, but whatever I have done here, I just have cut out a lot of stuff. Crazy. There's a fuse here. This line, I think this one goes into the blower motor, which is this one over here. It's really messy though. I don't know how Nissan did all the wire, but it's crazy. It's so many extra wire that is unbelievable. And also this white fat wire here, this is pretty much a constant 12-volt power wire that's supposed to go to the alternator from over here. This is from the KA24D, but we don't need this anymore. So yeah, I still gotta lay down stuff to see where I'm gonna start plugging stuff on my fuse panel, on my fuse block, and also gonna adding like fuel distribution block for all the grounds that we have. You see all this ground stuff, this is all ground. And also over here I added a fat ground wire. I think this is 4 gauge, so I put it into the chassis, right, all the way up here. Now I'm gonna be adding a distribution block over here so they could just power all my black ground wires over here. This is for my gauges, and pretty much I got all this stuff laying around here just chilling. Like I said, I'm waiting on my fuse panel to be done so I could just start transferring things over into the fuse block or fuse panel, whatever you guys want to call it. And by the front over here, I just trace it up, all the headlight wires. This is for the passenger side. See, this is the plug. It goes into this plug over here that turns on all the headlight. I gotta reroute the other one so we could just plug it with the, you know, wipers, motors, and whatnot. It's a lot of stuff, you know, just a lot of time and commitment. So pretty much that. Oh, I have received a whole bunch of gaskets. This is the gasket that go into the exhaust manifold. This is the VVTI one. You could just probably get this on Toyota. Here's the part number 17173-88410. Right. This is the metal gasket that sits onto the turbo manifold over here. Boom, boom. I have received a whole bunch of goodies, man. Like I have received from Jigs 10 AN fittings, right? I'm gonna use those 10 ANs. I'm gonna expand this and I'm gonna run AN lines over here by the valve cover. I already replaced the bearing for the serpentine pulley. You guys know I showed you guys how to do that on the previous video. A whole bunch of stuff over here. And also I have received a whole bunch of heat shrink over here. That's gonna make my life a lot easier, you know. I'm planning to test fit the turbo today. I really want to see how it fits, how it look like. Another thing is, I don't think I'm gonna be running the OEM heat shield. I might put a blanket on it. I don't know. Am I gonna rewrap the turbo manifold again? There's a whole bunch of stuff that I need to plan ahead. So pretty much all the basics, you know. I would like to find out how everything's gonna sit. Alright, so pretty much here I'm just trying to put all the bolts into the turbo. This is the bolts that are actually bolt onto the turbo manifold. Man, this Tomei stuff is pretty sweet though, because it come with a gasket and also come with all the bolts that you need. Everything is pretty much brand new. It's crazy, it's amazing. Just try to set up everything now so we can just, you know, put the manifold on and then try to, you know, put the turbo on, and then we see. Alright, so pretty much here, bolted up the turbo to the turbo manifold. Damn, this thing looks so insane. Very nice looking. I haven't put all the bolts yet because this is indefinite. It's still gonna add up the elbow and stuff. I just want to test fit it to see how it looks. Man, this thing looks really cool. So I pretty much bolted up the turbo over here onto the turbo manifold. And damn, this thing looks so cool. It's so pretty. I haven't tied up all the bolts yet because this is indefinite. I just wanted to test fit it just to see, just to have an idea of what's going to happen in here. And damn, that was my reaction. Damn, this thing looks so pretty. I'm pretty sure, you know, there's no regret in here. The cool thing about this, it's a stock replacement. Actually, I think it sits a little outer, or maybe because it's a little bigger, that's why. But other than that, this thing is insane. I still gotta put all the parts together and whatnot. I might pull this out again. Like I said, I might put a blanket on it, or I might just leave it like this. Damn, this thing is pretty as fuck. This turbo is the center of traction off the engine bay. Seriously. Pop the hood, what you got? Look at that. It's crazy. This thing, it looks so pretty. It shines everywhere. Wherever you go, you see it. It's nice. I might just leave it as it is, you know, no blanket or nothing, you know. It's just crazy. Very nice OEM replacement. This is crazy. OEM Toyota gaskets. Everything is gonna be OEM. Very nice. Just waiting on the timing belt now. And then we could just resurface everything on the front.
And I'm feeling